Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use Python. First, open your web browser and type Python in the search bar. Click on the first result and make sure the URL ends with .org. Once you are on the site, go to the Downloads tab. Select the latest released version and the download should start automatically. Run the installer and an installation panel will open. Check the following two boxes. Now go to Customize Installation. Make sure all boxes are checked, then click Next. Review your installation path, then click Install. Wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. Once it's done, click Close. To check if the installation was successful, press Windows plus R. In the window that opens, type CMD. A Windows terminal will open. Type Python \version and press Enter. This will show the installed version. It should match the one you downloaded. Now to try Python, we'll use the IDLE that comes with it. In the terminal, type python-m-idlib and press Enter. A window will open. This is Python's idle. Let's run a short piece of code to print some text. Press Enter to execute it. To save your file or program, go to File, Save As. Choose a location. I'll save it on my desktop. It's important to save all your files with the .pi extension, and that's it. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more content coming soon.